Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do an oil and filter change on a Lexus GS300. You'll need a new oil filter and around 5 litres of good quality engine oil. I've used a genuine Toyota filter with 5W30 Penrite synthetic. You'll also need a drain pan and funnel. Drive the car up onto some ramps and open the bonnet. Under the bonnet is the 2JZ GE VVTi. The oil filter is located under the intake manifold. The oil dipstick is the yellow handle at the front of the engine, and the oil filter cap is on the rocker cover. Remove the plastic under tray under the front of the car. Once that's off, you can see the engine oil sump plug. Remove the plug with a 14mm socket and let the oil drain out. This will take a while. Once it's all drained out, replace the sump plug and tighten it up with your socket. Next step is to remove the oil filter. You want to position the drain pan underneath where the filter sits because a fair amount of oil will come out. Remove the oil filter. This one was stuck tight, so I had to use the removal tool to get it loose. Once that's off, you'll probably find that your drain pan is in the wrong spot. This is normal. Clean the mating surface of the oil filter housing. It's best to use a lint-free rag for this. Paper towel also works, but be careful that none gets stuck to the housing. Take your oil filter and apply a small amount of clean oil to the gasket. Hand tighten the new filter. Once the gasket touches the housing, tighten another 3/4 of a turn or until it won't go any further. Time to fill the engine oil. Including the new filter, you'll need to add around 5 litres of oil. Once it's filled up, start up the engine and keep an eye on the oil pressure light. It should switch off after a few seconds. Take a look under the car to check for any obvious leaks. Replace the plastic under tray. And that's how you change the oil and filter on a Lexus GS300. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this channel useful.